Hello everyone, my name is Chase. I'm 21 years old and I just moved to Australia for 6 months to pursue my dreams and have a grand adventure while my 20s last. Before I get into how I got here, let me take you back. September 26th. I had just finished my full-time job, and after showing my Swiss friend Nick around Southern California, I was in a place in life where I actually had time.
What did you do with that time?
Well, since you're asking, I wouldn't say I made the greatest choices with my time, but I definitely learned a lot.
First new board in a while, but it's low-key kind of expensive.
Now, just to say this, every surfer knows this feeling, but when I tell you I had a lot of time, I mean, I had a lot of time. The good old unemployed life. Now, I'm sure we're all familiar with what goes down during this season of life and the activities associated with this season, but for me, it only lasted about 3 weeks. And honestly, the good part about this was it gave me ample time to think and pray about what was coming up during this trip. One of the reoccurring themes in my head is, which direction is my life going to go? And I put money on that this is a pretty common occurrence amongst us 21-year-olds without a college degree or any outstanding qualifications. But yeah, I wanted to pour into something that I knew wasn't a complete waste of time and that would just fill that creative outlet gap that I felt I had. So with that, I spent the remainder of the time leading up to the trip getting better at videos because I'm pretty amateur as it is, but it was a fun time and I definitely wouldn't trade that learning experience for anything. So without further ado, we have a special someone coming from the wonderful land of Switzerland to the even more wonderful land of California.
Time is already on our side. I don't want to waste what's left, cause we're picking up Marine. Okay, you excited?
Yeah, I'm excited.
Excited.
Yay! Made it.
We are going to Topanga right now.
Now, over the course of the next couple weeks, we took a few trips up and down the coast, just overall enjoying our time while we were there and spending some good old quality family time. But as we got closer to the trip, something felt just a little off. It felt as if we weren't going to leave, as if it was farther away than it was. And then I had a daunting realization. Wow. It's 1 week until we leave. Aloha. So, since the gym, got home, had a protein shake, and then I went straight to get this sucker, if you can see it. Looking a little more presentable now for a future employer. What do you think?
It looks new.
Oh my gosh, bro. Now we're gonna go rush to get the sunset down in Torrance. Let's do it. Over the next several days, we saw some of the most beautiful sunsets that we had ever seen in our entire lives.
just got done at the beach. We're leaving Saturday, 26th. Enjoying sunsets while it lasts. It's Marine's first time having Panda Express, and it's been a while since I've been here because last time I came here I threw up like 7 times due to the orange chicken. So Marine, try the orange chicken. Just kidding.
Yet another day in the life.
Going to my sister's workplace, the little pancake shop here in Manhattan. Bye. What's going on? It's our second day here in Ventura. Got here last night, got a little surf in, got to watch the sunset. Now we just got out of church and we're about to go hit some thrift stores. Trying to look for some more clothes before we go to Australia. Specifically need t-shirts, some jeans, and maybe Marine needs some jeans too. Because yeah, as you can see, she just spilled coffee and she spilled grape juice on her shirt. So yeah, we gotta go get some new clothes. I'm hoping to find something, you know, something nice. Oh shoot, totally missed that turn. So yeah, you can't really vlog and talk to the camera at the same time, or you can't really talk to the camera and drive at the same time. So I'm gonna have to turn it off.
I really hope it fits you.
Kind of fits, no?
Yeah, I like it. So cute though.
I think they're too. There's no button though. Ventura, California, very beautiful.
Girl, I'm in love with you. This ain't the honeymoon, that's the infatuation phase. Right in the thick of love, at times we get sick of love. Seems like we argue every day. I know I misbehaved and you made your mistakes, and we both still got room left to grow. And so love sometimes hurts, I still put you first.